iPhone does not give you a lot of power over zoom or aperture or shutter speed, iPhone images are all about composition and light. So let's talk about light first. Light is obviously the most important part in any kind of photography, but so much more in mobile photography. Lack of good light can ruin your image as iPhone camera does not handle well low light photography. Images taken in poor light conditions will have more noise. Noise in the picture is when your image becomes grainy, like on the image on the right. Yes, there are programs to reduce noise, but no noise reduction program will ever match the quality of the picture taken in a good light conditions, like the image on the left. That being said, don't be afraid to shoot when light is not perfect. Just be aware of the quality of the image. Another thing related to light quality is that the less light camera receives, the more blurry your picture would be if you A. Move your hand while taking a shot, B. Your object or model will move while you're taking the shot. So if you need your image to be as sharp as possible, you have to make sure you, as a photographer, hold your phone steady, even using a tripod, and your object or model will not move as well. As a general rule, iPhone performs best in evenly lit situations. This is especially true for portraits. Here is an example. The image on the left was taken in direct sunlight. The shadows are quite visible and it is not very flattering, especially for a girl's portrait. The second image was taken in a shadow, where the light is even. See how much more flattering it is? However, this doesn't mean you always have to opt for evenly distributed light. Shooting with contrast or against light is fun and can produce some awesome results. We will talk about it in the creative section. Okay, one more point about the light. So when using direct midday light is a good thing? Well, direct midday light is great for action shots, for moving objects or for objects that can potentially move, because camera would be able to use fast shutter speed to freeze the moment.